Alright guys, hope everybody's doing well. Again, been busy at work all last week, so not really had a chance to do a video. I've been trying to get another one out. I'm at 899 subscribers. It's been that all week and I'm just dying to get to the 900s and get up to my 1000. So if you're not subscribed, please do, because Big Papa Paul RC would appreciate that a lot. But this morning, like I said, I'm going to take the HYPERGT out. Not done really a lot to it since last time. I've got my Sky RC on it, which I've only used once, so I'm still kind of not really too familiar with it. The car's got the HOBAO Max 8 system in it, 120C discharge turning GLiPo 6S, a little, I think it's called, is it Sun RC or something like that, gyro. It's just a sort of cheap China made gyro that I got, but it seems to work fine. And I'm running obviously the Gold Hoons and my FlySky GT3C receiver. So I've got a few blasts up and down, see what kind of speeds it's doing. I don't expect anything much different to the last time I've had it out, because I've not really altered anything. I was going to up the pinion again, but I'm really trying to find out, try to get a spool set up for it, because I'd rather put the spur down than up the pinion, because if you can see just now, hopefully this camera's facing okay, I've only got the one screw holding the motor mount in, because the pinion's so big. I think I've got a 29 in it just now. It's kind of running out of space to get the two screw slots in, so I'd rather go down a pinion and down a spur to get the speed, as opposed to keep on going up a bigger and bigger pinion. So or even keep the same pinion and go down a spur, whatever, but that's as big as I'm putting on the spur gear, on the pinion gear anyway. Sorry, getting a bit tongue twisted there just now, but yeah, well, we'll go have a little rip just now, see what we get. I'll get the Sky RC set up, and hopefully everything will go well. I'll not have any crashes, because I do love this car. It's one of my favourite builds I've done. I don't know why, I like the paint job I chose for it, the copper sort of colour, and I just like the way the car handles as well, even forgetting doing speed runs with this thing. With the wee short wheelbase, it's just so much fun. I like my infraction as well, but I think this is my favourite out of the two, and the way it's set up just now, it's actually a little bit faster than the infraction. So here we go anyway. I'm going to get everything set up and I'll be back in the camera in a second. Right, that's the car switched on now, and try to get this GPS on. So it's got track and drag. I've not really tried any of them, so we'll try drag just now. I'm not really sure how to do this. Let's see, 70 mile an hour, 0, we'll start. Oh, I've got no GPS just now actually. What's going on? That's strange. Oh, there we go, got GPS there. So let's see, start, do track just now first, just to get a general mile per hour, because I've got a lot of learning to do with what this thing can do. So let's see if it's reading anything. Yeah, it's reading there just now. Right, let's see what kind of speeds we're going to get this morning. Let's make sure my trimmings are all okay. To sort that first. Well, it's not too bad. Right, let's just do a small pass just now. See this baby go. Oh, what's happened? I don't know what's happened there. To get a look, go and get a look at this. That's strange. It's like a signal loss there or something. Right. Let's try this again. Right, let's see what kind of speeds I'm going to get in this little passage just now. So, I don't know what had happened, if that was signal or what had happened, but the car's never cut out before, so that's our first time. Fans on and everything, but see. Slow down a bit there. Come one more pass. Oh, a bit close to that curb there on the brakes. It looks a big car park, but when you're going these kind of speeds, you cover it really quick. It's quite hard to judge the depth of the distance to brake. So what speed did we get there just now? Stop. Read 73. Right, so it wasn't full on throttle, so if I can get up to 80 or round about there, I'll be fairly happy, but I think I got 78 was the best I had last time I was out. So we'll try again. Then I'll get a wee play with it after that. Let's see. Try and ease on the throttle this time. Good brakes on that, that's for sure. I prefer going the other way for some reason. I just feel like I really run out of space fast this direction. They're flat out there, so let's see what we got. Like I say, if I get the 78 again, I think that'll probably be what I'd expect. So stop it just now. What's going on? I don't believe it. Run out of GPS. Some GPS issues going on just now. Really strange. Don't know if it's the area with the bridges here or something, but it seems like I lost all my satellites. Unless it's the fog. mph it's showing as the fastest there, so I don't know what had actually happened. Right, I've one more big speed pass, then I'll get a wee play about. But the car, I mean, other than not gearing it up, it's actually going tremendous. I don't know what had happened with that little blip there with it cutting out, but... Right, let's try and get another pass here. No. It's absolutely shifting. Even the handling as well at that speed's so much fun. Right, that's the last speed test there just now, playing about with this Sky RC. So hopefully we can see what speed we got. 73 still the fastest, so quite a bit slower than my last run, but I don't think I'm really pushing the full extent of this area. A bit of pirouette spin there. God, I love this car. Even just ripping about, I mean, with that kind of speed, the sort of mid-70s, it's still got so much pull low down. Not sure the battery's 100% charged either, actually, because I didn't check that this morning, so it could be that as well why I'm losing a few miles per hour. So I charged it about 2 or 3 days ago and I ended up not going out. But I mean, just look at that little thing go. Do recommend to get one of these cars. I think it's only about a couple £100 for the kit. I don't know what that is in dollars, maybe about the same, $200, and obviously you can put whatever you want in it, but it's just a brilliant piece of kit, this car, so much fun. Just covers ground so quickly. I don't know if I can do laps on this Sky RC. I've not really used it yet, so if it's still got a signal, what I'll try and do is I'll try and have a look. Track start. Right, so we'll try like just generally drive about and see what comes up on the data, because I'm just trying to learn that. Maybe me, I don't read manuals, so I like to learn the hard way. Do a few laps round this battery, forgetting about speed. The gold tunes just hook up. It's really cold here, it's only about 4 or 5 degrees and still not feeling like they're cold, and it's slipping about everywhere. It's really, really well. But the handling's so good as well, and that little cheap gyro really does seem to do the job. Whoa! I tried to turn there and the actual foam on the steering slipped there. I might have to glue that on. The foam was turning but not the steering. Let's try and drain this battery down. We'll have a look at the end, so we'll see what the information on that Sky RC is, because if I could do laps I would start using it on things like my trophy trucks when I'm doing my little off-road race courses and things. Whoa! Try to show off there too much. So much power in this car. It's just a bullet. When you touch up, when you sort of like slam the throttle down, it hooks up, it just moves. I mean, as well, you can see that's like mid 70 mile an hour. Been running this pretty hard just now, and nothing's overheating, the car's not cutting out, no issues. It's probably just, even though I want to do higher speeds with it, I don't know if I should maybe just do that with manufacturing and keep this how it is, because it seems a perfect setup, and I still want to do off-road sort of rally stage sort of stuff with it and find the right gravel place. I've not really found the right area to try that yet. But I mean, this battery as well is only 4,000 milliamp, and you can see how hard I'm going on it and how much time I'm getting too. And like I say, I don't think it's got 100% charge in it. Maybe I had about 80 odd when I came out, so yeah, I love this car. Love this area too, because it's just abandoned. It's a really good car park space. I can see that's the power cutting out now, so we'll finish this up just now. Just a little play with HYPERGT. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. I certainly did. I've still got 4S batteries, etc., but going to save them, and I might take my laser nut out at a later point today, get another video done. But yeah, that's a HOBAO HYPERGT. Amazing little car. little bit of scuff on the roof there for that upside down, but nothing too bad. I was kind of a bit panicked at one stage about scuffing it, but to be fair, a couple of scuffs kind of, once it's got them, you don't mind using it as much. So just try and read this data, see what we actually got. It's got a faster top speed there, 74 mile per hour. I thought with track though there would be some way to like see where you'd been and stuff, so I thought I'd give you a sort of direction and things, where you are and how you're doing, but obviously not, so, unless I'm wrong. If anybody can tell me if you can do that, please get in touch and let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, pretty much enjoyed that little blast with the HOBAO, hope you did too, and I'll get another video out soon. Stay safe everybody, bye.